Hi, it's Angeline here. Today we have a special blog hop with Unity STEM and Beth Dove design team, and today I'm going to show you how to make this floral embossed window card. So first, I've already stamped all these flowers from the Choose What to Become kit on some white cardstock, and I'm using the Jane Davenport Mermaid markers today to color in my flowers along with the Spectrum Noir metallic pen and a water brush. So I'm going to zoom in here to show you how I paint my flowers in, starting off with the Pirate's Gold, which is this yellow orangey color, to paint right in the middle of the flower. Then for the petal, first I'm using a water brush to wet the petal, and then grabbing the starfish color, which is this pinky flower, and just dotting a few dots and grabbing my water brush again to drag the colors out to the outer petal. So a little goes a long way. Here I'm adding the lobster color along the insides of the petal to create some shadows and gradients. As you can notice, you just need a little bit of the color and using the water brush to just drag the colors out. To create a more vibrant shade of the color, you can just add more color to create more intensity, and this will create a darker shade of the color. Next, I'm moving on to the purple flower here, again wetting the petals and adding the jellyfish color along to the petals. And again, oops, I kind of added too much color here, but it's okay. Just use your water brush and just drag all the colors out. Or you can always use the markers to paint directly on the petals. To add some shadow to my flower, I'm getting this deep sea color, scribbling some onto my craft mat and getting my water brush to pick the color up from there and painting it directly onto my flower. Instead of using the marker to create more intense color, I'm just using the water brush to create a more softer look. And finally, I'm coloring in my tiny flower here using my Spectrum Noir metallic gold pen. Here I've already die cut all the pretty flowers and just putting it aside to create my window card now. And I'm grabbing the Cat Scrappiness circle nesting die along with my Thermoweb purple tape to run it through my big shot to create a window to my card. Then I'm grabbing this embossing folder from Xcut, and on the smooth surface, I'm grabbing the pigment ink from Mama Elephant to just ink up the entire surface. Then I'm going to put my window card on the opposite side of the embossing folder, closing it and running it through my big shot, and here is how it looks like. Ta-da! Next, I'm going to adhere the sentiment right behind the window card and just adjust it right where you want it to be and stick it down. And here is the fun part. I'm grabbing some glue dots here to pop the flowers up, and before that I'm just pre-arranging where I want the flowers to be. And once you're happy with the position, it's time to just put some glue dots behind the flowers and just pop it into place. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip technique, and thanks for watching. Bye!